Alright, so now that those quail are done and I've got to try them, I can finally answer a question that was been burning in my mind ever since I started the quail, and I'm sure is a question of some of yours as well, and that is, what do they taste like? How easy are they to cook? And all those good things. And I do have to report their quail are small, extremely easy to take care of on an urban backyard homestead like this, very sustainable. They grow extremely quickly. The ones I had grew very large. They were easy to butcher. It took me about 15 minutes to cook, maybe 20 all in all with prep. Very, very easy, as you can see from the video. And what do they taste like? They taste good. I am a huge fan of chicken, and I almost think I like these quail even more than the chicken. Their flavor profile is extremely flavorful, almost kind of like a drumstick, but more in-depth flavors, more smooth flavors. But also kind of like a chicken breast as well in how it is. It's not gamey at all, at least the way I cooked it. It was not tough at all or hard, extremely tender, fell apart. Very, very flavorful. My family absolutely loved it. It's not something that's going to be weird or that you'll have to get used to because it is so close to chicken. So the quail are definitely a thumbs up. Absolutely love them. If you haven't tried them, you need to do that. It's something that can get you one step closer to sustainability and self-sufficiency. I mean, that dinner, those quail that we cooked, I raised from eggs, so I know exactly what went into them. So they're extremely healthy. So definitely a plus on the quail. If you like watching this video, stay tuned because I will most certainly be cooking them in a lot of different ways and be recording that as well. Hey, hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you very much. Stay strong.